Hi guys! This video is not about getting dressed up and sitting at home. That is so 2020. Also, this is not a lookbook. I repeat, this is not a lookbook. These are just outfits that I wore through the week. Okay, day one. Let's call this outfit my pandemic uniform because I think I have worn it at least once a week for the last few months. Yeah, I wear this a lot. So loose oversized tees paired with like denim shorts. This is like my go-to look right now. It's comfy, it's functional, and I love it. Also, I'm currently living in my chappals, and yes, I use a scrunchie to tie my hair. So excited that scrunchies are back! Yay! My Tuesday look is another lockdown favorite. This cut-off t-shirt was actually Webhub's and it's like I think 10 years old, and these shorts used to be jeans. Jeans, remember jeans, guys? I don't remember the last time I wore a pair, so yeah, I've chopped up a lot of my jeans into shorts, but yeah. This is today's look. Okay, it's time for some midweek TLC. Putting on my favorite mask and just getting some reading in. I'm also obsessed with these Gamcha PJs. They are like super soft, super comfy. And again, I have two pairs and I think I wear them at least once a week. Yeah, repeating is cool, right? Okay, it's Dress Up Thursday. Not really, but I guess I'm wearing a dress, so I guess it is, right? It's actually not a dress, it's a kurta, guys. And I got this from Sarojini Nagar like ages ago, but I used it as a dress. And yeah, today we're wearing accessories and lip balm. Amazing, right? Why am I so dressed up? It's because I have like this event. I'm on a panel, and of course it's via Zoom, but gotta look presentable, so a little dressed up. Okay, I cannot tell you how obsessed I am with this dress. It's actually sleepwear, but obviously I wear it all day long. I wear it out as well. And it's just super comfy, flowy, and it just made me think of that song, you know, the runway Aurora trend, and I thought I would shoot it. You know, the one which is, I was dancing in the rain and I felt alive. Na, 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 na. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I cannot sing and I should not sing, but unfortunately, if I use this song, I will get a copyright strike. You guys know the drill. So basically, it doesn't really matter because, of course, I never used the reel or the videos because they didn't really work out. And it turns out the trend isn't easy to shoot. But yeah, this was my outfit. We're back in Scrunchie land, people. And yes, I can make a ponytail. That's how long my hair is now. And now coming to my outfit, this shirt is a hand-me-down from my sister. And yes, I'm wearing the same shorts again. It's cool to repeat. Repeat after me. It's cool to repeat. And literally the only time I change out of my chappals is when I'm taking Mars down for a walk. And again, I wear the same Birkenstocks every day, twice a day. It's time for the Sunday special, wearing yet another Anaita hand-me-down from my collection. It looks like a dress, but it's actually a kurta and a palazzo set. So yeah, you can wear it with the pants, you can wear it without. I usually wear it just as a dress because right now I'm really not in the mood to wear any kind of pants. You know what I mean? Okay, that's it from me, guys. See you soon. I'm off. Okay, who am I kidding? Lockdown chalu hai and I have nowhere to go. Stay home, stay safe. See you guys. Bye.